All my words turn to dust and drift away. A nod and a smile, mask in hand strapped with grenades. Unanchored in life, wish I knew how to swim. With no boat in sight, the tides are taking me in. Take down my name, it's another smudge, it never stains. Am I a ghost? Am I out of place? In a ballroom of strangers with nothing to say. A wilted bouquet, wasted away. Day after day, after day, after day. Sitting at a table, there were suits and lies. They're shaking my hand, lucky I got blue eyes. But they don't see the kid who dreamed of this disguise. Lately it's been hard for him to watch me cry. Don't look in the mirror, or I'll see what I hate. I'll suck up my tears, cause I think that I've gained weight. Wish I'd disappear, there's a line to escape, and I'm waiting right here. All I wanna say is, am I a ghost? Am I out of place? In a ballroom of strangers with nothing to say. A wilted bouquet, wasted away. Day after day, after day, after day. La 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 la. Am I a ghost stuck in this place? Day after day, after day, after day.
Atoms fall apart. Solar flares arrive. Buildings collapse. Only a few will survive. The world as we know it will no longer be there. Water is gone. A new era has begun. Prepare yourself for the apocalypse. The apocalypse. The heat is scorching. Forests burned up. The sky colors red. Volcanoes erupt. The world as we know it will no longer be there. Water is gone. A new era has begun. Prepare yourself for the apocalypse. Prepare yourself for the apocalypse.